Life in the fast lane. It's exciting, exhilarating, and exhausting. Anxiety and depression are common companions in our modern world. But what if I told you there's another way? Nature holds the keys to a calmer, more peaceful you. For centuries, humans have turned to plants to soothe their worries. Herbal remedies offer a gentle, holistic approach to well-being. They work in harmony with your body to address the root causes. Rediscover the wisdom of nature's pharmacy. Let's start our herbal adventure with Ashwagandha, a revered herb in Ayurvedic medicine for over 3,000 years. Its name means smell of the horse, hinting at its ability to boost vitality and strength. Ashwagandha is a powerful adaptogen. It helps your body adapt to stress, like a best friend offering a helping hand. It works by regulating cortisol, the infamous stress hormone. Instead of stress levels skyrocketing, ashwagandha guides your cortisol levels back to balance. You feel calmer, more focused, and better equipped to handle life. Ashwagandha might just be the natural ally you need. Close your eyes and imagine yourself strolling through a field of lavender, its sweet floral aroma enveloping you in a sense of calm. Lavender, with its beautiful purple blooms, has been treasured for centuries for its calming and sleep-enhancing properties. Remember those lavender sachets our grandmothers used to tuck under their pillows? They were onto something. Lavender works its magic by interacting with our GABA receptors in the brain, the same pathways targeted by many pharmaceutical sleep aids. But unlike those medications, lavender offers a gentle, non-habit-forming alternative. Whether you're struggling to fall asleep or stay asleep, lavender can be your nighttime companion. Try adding a few drops of lavender essential oil to your bath water using a lavender pillow spray or sipping on a cup of lavender tea before bed. Let its soothing aroma lull you into a peaceful slumber. St. John's wort, with its cheerful yellow flowers, has long been used to brighten the days of those feeling blue. This herb works by increasing serotonin levels in the brain, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in regulating mood, sleep, and appetite. Think of St. John's wort as a ray of sunshine for your mind, gently lifting your spirits and easing feelings of sadness and worry. Studies have shown it to be effective in treating mild to moderate depression, often with fewer side effects than conventional antidepressants. However, it's crucial to remember that St. John's wort is a powerful herb and should always be used under the guidance of a healthcare professional. It can interact with certain medications, including antidepressants, birth control pills, and blood thinners, so it's vital to consult your doctor before adding it to your regimen. Section 5, Passionflower, taming the anxious mind, encouraging tranquility. Don't let the name fool you. Passionflower isn't here to ignite fiery passions. Instead, this beautiful vine, with its intricate and captivating flowers, is renowned for its calming and anxiety-reducing properties. It's like a gentle whisper telling your mind to slow down and relax. Passionflower works by increasing levels of GABA in the brain, a neurotransmitter that has calming and relaxing effects. Imagine it as a soft blanket for your anxious thoughts, easing worry and promoting a sense of tranquility. Studies have shown passionflower to be effective in reducing anxiety symptoms, improving sleep quality, and even easing symptoms of generalized anxiety disorder, or GAD. So, if you're feeling like your mind is racing, passionflower can be a valuable ally in finding your inner peace. Section 6, Valerian Root, nature's whisperer of peaceful sleep. Valerian Root, the herb with a secret weapon against insomnia, its distinct earthy aroma. While it may not win any fragrance awards, Valerian Root's true power lies in its ability to promote deep, restful sleep. This root works its magic by increasing levels of GABA in the brain, similar to passionflower. It also has a gentle sedative effect, easing you into slumber without leaving you feeling groggy the next morning. Imagine Valerian Root as a lullaby whispered by nature, guiding you towards a night of peaceful, uninterrupted sleep. Studies have shown it to be effective in reducing the time it takes to fall asleep, improving sleep quality, and even reducing nighttime awakenings. If you're tired of counting sheep, Valerian Root might just be the natural sleep aid you've been searching for. Section 7, Chamomile, a gentle cup of calm amidst the storm. Imagine yourself curled up with a warm cup of chamomile tea, its gentle aroma filling the air. Chamomile, with its delicate white and yellow flowers, has been a beloved bedtime ritual for generations. This soothing herb contains compounds that bind to the same brain receptors as benzodiazepines, a class of medications commonly prescribed for anxiety. However, unlike those medications, chamomile offers a gentle, non-habit-forming alternative. Think of chamomile as a warm hug for your nervous system, easing tension, calming the mind, and promoting a sense of well-being. Studies have shown chamomile to be effective in reducing anxiety symptoms, improving sleep quality, and even easing digestive discomfort often associated with stress. So, next time you're feeling anxious or stressed, reach for a cup of chamomile tea and let its gentle embrace wash over you. Section 8. Remember, herbs are allies, not substitutes. As we've explored the wonders of these herbal allies, it's crucial to remember that they are not a replacement for professional medical advice and treatment. If you're struggling with anxiety or depression, it's essential to seek guidance from a healthcare professional who can provide personalized support and treatment options tailored to your specific needs. Think of herbal remedies as valuable tools in your wellness toolbox, working in conjunction with conventional treatments and lifestyle modifications to support your mental and emotional well-being. Always consult with your doctor before adding any new herbs or supplements to your regimen, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking other medications. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Reach out, seek support, and embrace the healing power of both nature and professional guidance as you navigate the ups and downs of life.